What's up, guys? This is a 2024 2500 HD. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm because the only way the factory alarm works is somebody opens the door. They don't come with any type of impact sensor from factory. We already installed it, so basically if somebody bangs on any of the windows that they try to bust out the keyhole, that will set off the factory alarm. I'm going to go ahead and bang on it. You'll see that the alarm's going to go off. Okay. Okay, it works the windows as well. Anybody out of state, give us a call. We'll guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. Here in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, if you have this type of truck, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Anybody out of state, feel free to give us a call as well, and we can guide you how to get this kit installed as soon as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and bang in the window. The alarm will start the countdown. I'm not gonna set it off. I'm not gonna let it go off to the point that it's gonna go off. I'm just gonna shut it off. I don't want to bother the neighbors too much. Okay. Go ahead and shut it off. This installation was done here in Miami, Florida. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And this 2024 Chevy 2500 HD. Thank you for watching this video.